If Photopea is showing a canvas error, freezing, flickering, or refusing to load properly, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. We're going to reduce the strain on your document, free up browser memory, simplify your layers, clear out unnecessary history, and if needed, switch rendering modes so Photopea can run smoothly again. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, check your canvas size. One of the most common reasons Photopea throws a canvas error is that the document is simply too large for your browser or GPU to handle. If your file has an extremely wide or tall canvas, or if it's massive in resolution, the texture buffer can overload and crash the editor. To fix that, go up to the top menu and click Image, then choose Image Size. Here, look at the width and height of your document. If either side is extremely high, lower it to something more manageable. The goal is to bring the file size down enough that your browser can display and process it without running into memory limits. After resizing, confirm the change and check whether the canvas loads correctly. Next, free up your browser tab's memory space. Even if your computer has plenty of RAM, individual browser tabs still have their own memory limits, and Photopea can hit those limits fast, especially with large documents. Start by closing any extra tabs you don't need. If possible, open Photopea in a fresh browser window so it has more room to work without competition from other heavy pages. On Windows or Chrome and Edge, you can press Shift+S to open the browser Task Manager. Sort by memory usage and close the heaviest background tabs or processes that you don't need. This small step can make a huge difference, especially if Photopea was struggling because your browser was overloaded. Now let's clean up the document itself. Smart objects can be very useful, but they also take up a lot of memory because each one keeps an extra uncompressed image buffer active in the background. If you've already finished editing a smart object layer, right-click it in the Layers panel and choose Rasterize. That turns it into a regular pixel layer and reduces the memory load. Also, if you have hidden layers or unnecessary layers you no longer need, flattening them or merging them can help lower overhead even more. The less complex your layer stack is, the easier it is for Photopea to render the canvas without error. So if your project is loaded with multiple effects, nested objects, and unused layers, this is a great time to simplify it. Another important fix is clearing Photopea's history state buffer. Every time you make a stroke, move a layer, or apply an effect, Photopea stores that step in the history panel so you can undo changes later. That's useful, but it also uses memory over time. If your project has a long editing session behind it, the history can become a hidden source of lag or canvas problems. Before making more changes, save your work immediately with cmd+s on Mac or Ctrl+s on Windows. Saving as a PSD file helps protect your project and gives you a safe checkpoint. Once achieved, you can refresh or reopen the file if needed, which often clears out memory pressure and gives Photopea a cleaner working state. If the canvas is still invisible, distorted, or constantly flickering, the last fix is to toggle WebGL mode. In some systems, GPU rendering causes display issues, especially when the browser or graphics driver is unstable. In Photopea, go to the More menu and find the option related to WebGL. If Use WebGL is enabled, turn it off so Photopea switches to CPU-based software rendering instead. If it's already off, you can test enabling it depending on the issue you're seeing. After changing the setting, reload the tab and check the canvas again. This can often solve strange rendering glitches, black canvases, or broken viewport behavior. So to recap, if Photopea gives you a canvas error, start by lowering the canvas dimensions, then free browser memory, rasterize completed smart objects, flatten or remove unnecessary layers, save your file to clear pressure on your workflow, and finally toggle WebGL if the display is still acting up. These steps solve most canvas issues quickly without needing to reinstall anything. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more Photopea and creative software fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.